Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're diving into something that every crypto trader has to figure out. That is which wallet to use. Now, there are thousands of tokens and a growing number of meme coins and altcoins that are coming out daily. But the way that you trade and you store these tokens, that can really affect your experience, your overall experience in this space. So in this video, I'll go over 5 of the most popular wallets, namely Bitget wallet, Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, and Phantom. Each one has its own strengths, and depending how you trade or what you hold, some will fit you better than the other, and that's what we're going to figure out in this video. So make sure that you watch till the end. Now we're going to start off with the Bitget wallet because this one is packed with features. It is a non-custodial wallet, so you keep the custody of your assets and not the exchange, which means that you're in control of your keys and your assets. It's already been used by over 80 million people worldwide, and what sets it apart is that it's not just a wallet, it's more like an all-in-one crypto application. You can swap tokens, you can check market insights, you can stake, you can earn rewards, you can browse D apps, and you can even make crypto payments. And since it supports over 130 blockchains, 20,000 D apps, and more than a million tokens, you will not run into the usual like, oh, this network is not supported problem. You won't have that here. Now, one of the most practical things that I found in Bitget wallet is how it fits into everyday life. So you imagine you're at a coffee shop that accepts crypto. Instead of just holding coins in your wallet, you can actually pay directly from the Bitget wallet. Or maybe you want to try out a new D app or a new NFT marketplace. Instead of downloading separate applications, you just open up the D app browser that is inside the Bitget wallet and you're good to go. It's designed to simplify the whole Web3 experience, whether you're a beginner or you are an experienced trader or you're deep into trading. Bitget wallet also backs everything with a $300 million user protection fund. Most wallets don't have that kind of safety net. So it's quite a nice reassurance that if something unexpected happens, there's a layer of support. Now, let's talk about the trading focused features that we have here. Bitget recently launched the Alt Venture 2025, which is a month-long campaign to encourage people to explore altcoins beyond just Bitcoin. It's kind of like an event series for altcoin traders. So they're already done a phase around spot and futures. And right now there is a campaign with 777,000 USDT in rewards. The cool part here is that you don't have to be an expert trader to take part. Something as simple as predicting the price of a certain altcoin is enough to join. It's a way to make trading more engaging, almost like a community experience. And if you are into meme coins, Bitget also has a feature that is called meme scan. Now, this is one of the most advanced tools that I've seen for mobile trading. The problem with meme coins is speed. By the time that you hear about one, it's already pumped or rugged. Meme Scan tackles that by giving you real-time push alerts when new tokens launch on platforms like Pump.Fun and Let's Bonk. So for example, let's say that a new token drops at about 2 a.m. So that's really late for most people. You will get instant alert with AI generated summaries of what that meme is about and social sentiment around X. So you can quickly gauge whether it's catching hype. It also makes execution quite smoother. You can trade instantly with millisecond level K-line data. You have MEV protection. You have preset slippage and gas settings so that once you've figured it, future trades are just one tap away. And since risk is a huge factor with meme coins, meme scan automatically flags things like sniper ratios, top holder concentration, and developer sell-offs. So if you're the type of trader who likes chasing new tokens, I think this one gives you both speed and also safeguards. Now, there are tools like the Faucet Center, which helps you add networks and claim tokens with a single click. It's especially handy if you're just getting started on a new chain and you don't want to waste time hunting for testnet faucets. We have the Bitget Alpha tool, which is another interesting one. It surfaces early token opportunities on Solana, on BNB, and also on Base. So, for instance, if you're the type of trader who likes to get into projects before they're mainstream, Alpha tracks things like growth in active addresses, large buys, and maximum gains, and then presets that data in a way that's easy to act on. It basically helps you filter out the noise and spot tokens that are actually worth looking at. Then there's Get Gas, which solves the headache that almost everyone in crypto has faced, that is running out of gas fees. With Get Gas, you don't need to constantly keep Ethereum, BNB, or Sol topped up on every network. You can just pay gas fees using USDT, USDC, or even BGB, the native token of Bitget. So you can think of it like topping up with your mobile phone. Instead of juggling balances across chains, you just have one balance that you can use everywhere. And recently, Bitget Wallet went through a rebranding during its 17th anniversary. They refreshed their brand with the idea of crypto for everyone. It's not just a visual change, which a lot of people will imagine. It's a reminder that the goal is to make crypto part of everyday life. It's not just for trading. So whether you're buying coffee, you're checking out NFTs, you're staking tokens, or you're trading the newest meme coins, it is designed to be an all-in-one application. Now, let's compare this with some of the other wallets. So you have a bunch of options to choose from. We have the Coinbase wallet, which is often the first step for beginners, mainly because it's directly connected to the Coinbase exchange. If you already buy crypto on Coinbase, moving it into the Coinbase wallet feels very seamless. It's also very user friendly. There's no steep learning curve, which is why a lot of people that are new to Web3, they start there. Let's say that you bought some Ethereum on Coinbase, you can easily transfer it to your Coinbase wallet and you can use it for NFT purchase or DeFi protocol without needing to jump through too many hoops. Then we have MetaMask, that is probably the most recognized wallet in crypto. It's the standard for Ethereum and EVM compatible chains like Polygon and Arbitrum. It works best if you're heavily involved in DeFi and Ethereum based tokens. For example, if you want to farm yield on Uniswap or participate in governance on an Ethereum DAO, MetaMask is usually the go-to. It has its own browser extension, which also makes it very easy to connect to Web3 based D apps. Then the downside is that it's not as smooth for multi-chain trading compared to Bitget Wallet, but it's extremely reliable and widely supported. Next, we have the Trust Wallet. That is another one that is worth looking at. It's backed by Binance and it supports a ton of blockchains right out of the box. It's more straightforward than MetaMask and it is more versatile than the Coinbase wallet. If you're someone who holds a mix of coins across different chains and you just want a simple mobile app to manage them all, I think Trust Wallet does a really good job. For example, if you hold BNB, some Ethereum, and maybe some Solana, Trust Wallet lets you view and manage them without worrying about the compatibility issues. Finally, there's the Phantom wallet. This wallet is designed specifically for Solana and is extremely popular among people who trade Solana NFTs or tokens or meme tokens. So if you're into projects launching on Solana or using Solana DeFi protocols, Phantom is very lightweight, it's fast, and it's easy to use. So let's say that you want to mint an NFT on Solana or trade on Jupiter. Phantom is probably the smoothest way to do it. So to sum it up, Coinbase Wallet is beginner friendly and it ties neatly into Coinbase Exchange. MetaMask is a classic choice for Ethereum and DeFi. Trust Wallet is versatile multi-chain wallet with Binance support. We have Phantom, that is the best option if you're focused on Solana. And Bitget is where everything comes together. That's of course my personal opinion. You can have your own opinion, but seeing the options and the features, comparing it to different wallets, I think that is a conclusion that I can safely jump on. So let me know what you guys think about it. I'll give you guys links of each wallet in the description so you can do the comparison yourself and let me know what you think. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.